It's Friday, 3 p.m. here Eastern Standard Time in Athens, Georgia. I thought I'd show y'all a little of what's over my way today. Nice clear blue skies. Oh, I think it was 37 here this morning. Very cold early on. No sprayers yet. Hoping a hawk might fly by. There's two pair here. Maybe you can see there's been bees up on those blooms. I believe that's a red oak tree there in bloom. There's lots of blooms here to see. Some assorted cats. Maybe y'all can see the blue vinca vine there. Some nice bright colors. There's a hawk nest in the tree to the right there. And there's a crow nest in that tallest forest away pine in the center there. So maybe y'all see my hawk and crows wars. The Middle Oconee River is straight there where the sun's going down to the bit to the southwest there, I believe. There's the sun today. Maybe y'all can see the flowers in bloom over there across the way in the neighbor's yard. It's definitely spring here in Georgia. All the birds are carrying straw in their beaks. Turtle dove. Or should I say morning dove? I hope everybody out there is warm. Got plenty to eat today. Got plenty of clean water to drink. God help those poor people everywhere that have discovered they have all kind of things in their drinking water. Y'all stay safe out there. God bless.